In this tutorial short, we're going to create a group and talk about a little bit how the secure document and messaging occurs within the Nut Manager ecosystem. Our first tip is to establish a group. And here, for example, I'm going to select the groups folder, right click, select new group, and give it some kind of friendly name. Here I'm going to select the profile that I want to be known as on this group. Here you need to create and select a group member that you're going to add. Right now I only have one group member in my contacts. You would need to create the contacts that you want to establish yourself with first before adding them to the group. So in this example here, I only have one contact, and that is a Sotir. I click on apply. And here now it brings you up to the new group menu item. And here it's a more advanced window. By default, this person that you ask to join always has verify only privilege. These are group access controls, and they're very restrictive by default. If you want to elevate that person's privilege, you could give him, for example, read write. This is the passphrase that you're going to need to share with that specific person. Every person you add to the group is going to have their own unique passphrase, and this is how we cryptographically identify people and pass data with each other securely. So here I am going to click apply. Click OK. Again, to mention the email address is case sensitive. So if he does not have his email address spelled out, for example, in all lowercase, then it won't find his machine will not find the group invitation, and you'll need to send this group invite to them manually. So as you can see on the top here, the progress bars are occurring as the creation of the group is being created. It's being shared. It's calling out to identify itself to the other user. And here we're going to select the group itself. Here you can see Nuts Demo Account 1, which is us on this demo machine, and the contact Sotir that we've known him by is in there. So let's go back here. You can see that they are blue. Red means that is a visual identifier to show that any documents that are being placed in here will be automatically shared right away. So the receiving party has accepted our invitation. Sometimes you might want to click off and click back on. And here now you can see with that click on again that the card has changed from Sotir to Sotir Tranafilu. This is the actual information that's provided from him directly to this group and is also reflected in this group card here. So that means that tomorrow, if he, for whatever reason, decided to change his cell phone number, all he needs to do is just change it in one place. Let's say, for example, your business profile that you share, and this will automatically propagate to all the groups that you belong to, so everyone is aware that you've received your new phone number. So that is a nice feature where you might have 10 people in this group here and 20 in there. You don't need to try to share your phone number with everybody. You just make one change in one spot, and 30 people will receive that update. And here we are. So secure sharing has been established. This is now where you could do certain things like, let's go to our demo files, and we'll take our imported document. You can select the option to share with. I'm going to share that with the secure sharing group that we just created. Click apply. As you can see now, these are all blue, meaning that all these files are local to my eco group and they're not shared with anyone else. But since we did now actually select the option to share this document here, the system has gone off and rekeyed and added new encryption keys to allow the other parties in the share securing group to be able to access this document here. So if we go back to secure sharing, this now is what everyone else will see on their machines in this group, is this imported document. And these people could also as well make changes to it and automatically receive it. So for example, I could double click on this document, say add a change. And here I could just click on here and save the document. Here now it will automatically re-encrypt the document with the updated version. can see now it changed to version 4 from version 3. And it'll automatically now send this out to all the other parties within this secure sharing group automatically.